Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 4, Friday of our distance learning. Today is March 20th, 2020. Just wanted to go through what you guys should be working on today. For religion, we're still thinking about how Jesus died for us to save us from our sins. And you should be completing your Stations of the Cross book that you should be coloring in and thinking about the different stations. So today it's stations 11 through 14. So Jesus is nailed to the cross. Jesus dies on the cross. Jesus' body is taken down from the cross. And finally, Jesus is laid in the tomb. So once you finish the book, if you guys could make sure that you are going through it one last time and then actually do the Stations of the Cross starting with station 1 and spend some time thinking about each station today, just like we would normally on Friday afternoons during Stations of the Cross. Um, for spelling and phonics today, you're going to work in your Word workbook page 36. And if you guys want to take a little practice spelling test that your parents give you on this week's words, that would be great. Today, you're going to be reading The Best Party Ever. They're finally having that 100 celebration. Okay, and you guys can look and see everything that they're doing and read. This is pretty cool, talking about the origami. I think you guys might have done that in art. And then when you're finished with that, you are going to answer the questions. Remember, answer with complete sentences. Okay, I'm checking for capitals, I'm checking for punctuation, and making sure you're including. What did Ms. Blossom borrow? Ms. Blossom borrowed, and you tell what she borrowed. Or you can start with the pronoun she to represent Miss Blossom. Okay. Ooh, my camera keeps getting out of focus here. All right, for grammar, you're going to do that final worksheet on was and were. And in math, we're going to do some more time and money. Actually, money, we're comparing some amounts to see if we have enough to buy something. And then our landforms. Okay. Let's give it a second, see if it focuses. All right. Well, it's not. We'll just have to have a little bit of a blurry picture for a few minutes. Okay, so today you're going to use your landform book that you read yesterday. Hopefully you read in color. Well, I guess there's not a whole lot to color yesterday. Read about the different landforms, those natural features of Earth's landscape. Those are things that we can't usually create. Okay. And you're going to use this book today to help you fill out your flip book. Now, my flip book looks a little bit differently than yours because I had an opportunity to cut mine and paste it into the actual flip pages. But yours is stapled at the top, and you're just going to turn each page as you do it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go back and find the page on mountains, and read about mountains. A mountain is higher than the surrounding land. It normally has a peak at the top and is usually steeper than a hill. So we're going to write that down. We're going to write the word mountain in here. A mountain is higher than the surrounding land. It normally has a peak at the top and it's usually steeper than a hill. Then take a look at the picture of the mountain. You're going to find the picture on here, and I can look and see that it's this picture right here. Cut that picture out and go ahead and glue it into that rectangle. And then if you want, you can color it a little bit. Okay, so that's your flip book that you're going to finish today based on what you read yesterday. Use the Landforms book to help you do that. And then we're going to finally do some comparing of money. So let's take a look at this. At a farmer's market, Haley wants to buy a mango for 93 cents. She has the money shown. Does Haley have enough money to buy the mango? So first they're going to organize the money. Remember we talked about how we need to put it from the greatest value to the least value. And then count and find out how much money she has. 3/4 is 25, 50, 75. And then she has 2 dimes. 10 more than 75 is 85. Another 10 is 95. And then 3 pennies. So 95, one more is 96, 97, 98. And then you're going to compare. She has 98 cents. It costs 93 cents. I know that 98 is greater than 93, so yes, Haley has enough money to buy the mango. Okay, so let's work on one of these together. Okay, first, the first step says to find or write the total amount, and then we're going to write yes or no to tell if it's enough money to buy the item. So I know that that a quarter's 25, plus 5 more is 30 cents, plus 10 more is 40 cents, 50 cents, and one more makes 51. So we're going to write that down here. I have 51 cents. I need 56 cents to buy the orange. 51 is less than 56, so no, I do not have enough money to buy that today. Okay, so you're going to continue to do that. On the back, you'll look at the chart. You just are going to write which piece of fruit, not the cost, but the actual piece of fruit that you can buy with this much money. And then same here, you're going to add up the money and write what piece of fruit you can buy possibly with that. Do your 2-word problems over here. Same thing, you're first going to write the total amount, and then you're going to say yes or no, is there enough money? Write the total amount, is there enough to buy this? On the back, you're just comparing the two groups, and you're going to circle the one with the greater amount, the larger amount of money, and then solve your problems. Okay? All right, guys. Have a great day, and hopefully you guys are going to shoot me some videos back on Flipgrid. I would love to see and hear from you guys. Talk to you later.